Hello, I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme in the kitchen, and I welcome you into my house. I am expecting great things in the kitchen this week and hope to do wonderful things with the family. We have been blessed for the past 2 weeks, and I've kind of been MIA because of the fact that we had our grandchildren vacationing with us. We had 5 little ones underfoot, and oh, what fun! They kept us on our toes, I promise you. There were days I was so tired I couldn't move. But you know what? At the end of the day, I had a wonderful time, and we made wonderful memories. I have a wasp out here that doesn't want to leave me alone. I guess he wants to be on television as well. Either that or he smells my soap. So anyway, I am looking forward to this week, and I welcome you to come each evening into the kitchen. If you like to cook and you like to do fun things and sometimes even talk about some crazy things and do a little bit of decorating, come on into the kitchen because I'm looking forward to seeing you there.
Well, as you can hear, our house is pretty busy today, full of squeals and giggles, and I'm finishing up the Stovetop macaroni and cheese, and we are, I'm in the process. We've been to the store, and it is just, this is Grand Central Station today. So we are, I'm finishing up my creamy sauce. You know, I made the macaroni last night, the actual elbow pasta. So I will get this to the consistency and the taste that I wanted, and then I'm going to add the pasta and let it just get happy in this creamy mixture. And I'm looking at it right now, and I really like the way it looks. So I'm going to let it go for a few more minutes, and then I'm going to add the pasta. Have a great evening. Hey, we're adding the pasta. There we go. Now let's just let this get happy in there. Pick up all our little pieces here. It is not a quiet place. Okay, I'm gonna let this soak up. Let it get soaked. Now I know it seems a little loose, but you'll be surprised by dinner time. It will be the perfect consistency. So I'm just going to let this continue to warm, let the pasta take over and do its thing. Well, our creamy mac and cheese. Done stovetop style. Is it not perfect? That is so good. Kids are going to love it. It's better than the box and equally as simple.